Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out some haircut ideas that you can rock this summer season. So we start off with this big chop transformation. Oh, she ended up getting this little pixie haircut. Absolutely gorgeous. I really like the necklace with the shirt. This is definitely like summertime vibes. Very cute. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another beautiful style, a mini bob with platinum colored hair. Beautiful tousled curls sprinkled throughout. Absolutely stunning. And then we have a hair color transformation. So she goes from a brunette to a beautiful blonde. And then we have this very chic mullet style. We're going to be seeing a lot of mullet haircuts this summer, and I am here for it. And then we have this beautiful pixie. Her hair is so thick and full, lots of body, lots of movement. And then we have a shaggy style pixie cut. Now, the shag is one of the most popular hair trends that we're going to be seeing this summer, as well as the pixie style. So if you want to combine the two, this would be a great option to try out. So much texture. This is such a fun style. And then we have another pixie here. This is a bit of a baby pixie, lots of choppy layers mixed in. This is perfect for those who want to keep it short, but you want a little bit of texture. And then we have a bob haircut transformation. So I'm thinking that the stylist is going to be doing a pixie bob for this one, just based on the hand movements that she was doing. And she really wanted to accent her jawline. Oh, this is pretty. So then he's going in with the styling, and we can see that she definitely got a beautiful pixie bob. Gorgeous, wow. This accents her cheekbones so well. Gorgeous transformation. And then we do have another variation of the pixie bob trend here. I just released a full video showcasing more of this trend, so if you are curious about this particular hairstyle, be sure to check it out. And you can see some of the different ways that people are wearing the pixie bob. Oh, I really like the blonde that she has mixed in. It's like just a hint. And then here is another pixie bob variation. Lots of body and movement with this one. Some height there going at the crown. Absolutely breathtaking. And it accents her jawline so well. Alright you guys, so let us know in the comments below which hairstyles will you be trying this summer. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we will of course see you in the next one.